Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And you know, we already started our own tailoring system. So for any type of customization, designer blouse, gown, dresses, for any type of customizations, please contact through WhatsApp. And you know, today I have selected some smart collections for your daily wear. So let me display. This one, you know, very beautiful one, bright looks, cotton silk material, pure handloom with contrast color, checks and border design. Also very beautiful one, contrast golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful fine temple weaving design work border. And this one, you know, full base part, beautiful one, fine checks design, cotton silk material. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color, highlighted stripes pattern pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very beautiful one, fully fine checks design, contrast border. And this one is a full base, and this one is running blouse piece, very trendy and elegant looks, bright one, best for your office wear, daily wear. And I will suggest this silk material, golden shade, heavy bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, you know, same material, same pattern, checks design, cotton silk material and very bright color combinations, royal blue shade, golden zari border, fine temple pattern, weaving design border work. This one, you know, full base part. This one is border portions, golden zari border, contrast color, fine temple pattern weaving design. And this one, you know, full base part, fine checks. And this one, you know, pallu portions, fully contrast color, highlighted stripes pattern pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very beautiful one, fine checks all over, royal blue shade, cotton silk material. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, you know, full base part, golden zari temple weaving design border, highlighted border, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one, you know, very beautiful one, multi-color checks design, khadi cotton silk material, contrast border and full base part is beautiful multi-color checks design. This one, you know, full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, best for your daily wear, office wear. And this one, you know, full pallu portions, beautiful pom-pom. And this one is full base part, very comfortable one, best for your daily wear, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. Very beautiful one, khadi cotton base with fine weaving border design, very smart trendy looks. This one, you know, full base part, very soft comfortable. This one is full base, very beautiful one, khadi cotton base. And this one is border portions, fine weaving design work border. And this one is full base part, very trendy looks, summer friendly, soft comfortable, smart fresh looks. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one, you know, pallu portions, fully contrast color, highlighted stripes pattern, fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one is very nice looks and very soft one, summer friendly, best for your daily wear. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also, you know, same material, different design work, material is same pure handloom khadi cotton base with beautiful fine smart weaving design. You know, this one is full base part, this portion is side portion, border portions with fine contrast color, fine weaving design work, stripes pattern, fine weaving work. And this portion is middle portions, beautiful fine weaving design work. And this one is pallu portions, highlight weaving stripes with beautiful butta design, very trendy and fresh looks, elegant and soft comfortable, summer friendly, fine hand weaving design. And this one is full base part, very trendy and elegant looks and bright color combinations. And this one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very nice one, best for your summer wear. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also, very smart one, cotton base, handloom khadi cotton base, pure handloom one with heavy weaving border design, wide border and fully hand weaving design work. This portion is base portions, very soft one, khadi cotton base, and this portion is border portions, wide border, highlighted weave contrast color stripes with weaving lines, very trendy and smart, looks elegant. Obviously, this one is border portions, multicolor stripes with beautiful fine hand weaving design, temple pattern weaving design, very smart, fresh looks. This one is full base part, and this one running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, fine stripes pattern pallu, based for your office wear, daily wear, professional wear, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding and smart looks. And this one also, a very beautiful one, very dainty looks, cotton silk material and full base part, stitching stripes pattern, katha stitch pattern stripes design, full base, very nice looks. This one is pure white base. Sorry. Cotton silk material, pure handloom. This one is contrast color border and full base part is beautiful katha stitch pattern, stitching stripes design all over base, white base, cotton silk material, soft, lightweight, summer friendly. And this one pallu portions, fully contrast color stripes with fine weaving design, beautiful weaving stripes pattern pallu. This portion is katha stitch pattern stripes, and these are beautiful weaving design, contrast color, very trendy and fresh looks. This one full base part, and this one is border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, handloom cotton silk material. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving, bright bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. Very beautiful, elegant looks, pure khadi cotton base, pure handloom, contrast color, ikat border, and full base part is beautiful stitching stripes pattern design. This one full base part, khadi cotton base, contrast ikat border, and full base part is beautiful stitching stripes design, very trendy, fresh looks. This one very colorful also, nice color combination. This one is running blouse piece, full base part is same weaving stripes, Manipuri pattern, weaving stripes design. And this one pallu portions, contrast color, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving buta design, very trendy and elegant, bright look, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. This one also very bright one, blue shade, golden zari weaving buta design, handloom, cotton silk material, temple pattern weaving design, border, very smart looks. This one full base part, bright color combinations. This one is full base part. This one is border portions, golden zari with temple pattern weaving design work border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, golden zari weaving buta. This portion is pallu portions, highlighted stripes with buta design. And this one full base part, very smart, fresh, bright looks. This one is full base. This one is border portions, golden zari temple weaving design work border. This one is running blouse piece, very fresh and bright looks, handloom cotton silk material. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. Very bright looks, navy blue shade, handloom cotton silk material, golden zari weaving buta work, and border portions is very beautiful one, fine weaving design work border. This one full base part, handloom cotton silk material, fine golden zari weaving buta design. And this one border portions, fine golden zari fine weaving design work border. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color, highlighted with beautiful fine weaving design, design work pallu, and this one full base part very fine looks. This one is border portions, fine golden zari with stripes pattern weaving design work border, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, very smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric heavy pocket work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also in a very beautiful one, cutter khadi cotton silk material with beautiful printed one. This one full base part is printed one. This one full base summer friendly based for your daily wear. This one full base part green shade handloom khadi cotton silk, soft comfortable with beautiful printed one. This one is pallu portions, beautiful printed, and this one full base part, very smart fresh looks. This one is fully printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. And today I have draped a beautiful designer saree. Base part is handloom cotton silk material, frill border. This portion is applique frill border, and this one full base part is beautiful applique design with artificial mirror, and this one is frill border, beautiful one applique work, and this one pallu portion same frill border with beautiful applique design, artificial mirror, and handloom cotton silk material with beautiful design work, very nice, looks soft, lightweight also, and frill portions is all over saree, very trendy looks. If you want the same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.